And my dear friends, today I am the party an intern of 20 batch presenting a case of an 8-year-old female patient Neeraj, who attended OPD with multiple physical and mental complaints. She came with chief complaint of vertigo since 2 to 3 months, aggravation on looking upward and long standing, abdominal complaint of flatulence with epigastric heaviness and occasional colic pain, headache, total and vertigo, general weakness, hair fall during combing and hair brushing. In the past history, no significant past illness. On clinical examination, BP was normal, respiratory rate normal, appetite decreased, patient खाना देखते ही मेरा मन नहीं करता खाने का, हर टाइम गैस बनी रहती है. Thirstless, stool was normal, urine was normal, desire and aversion, no acids present, perspiration normal, sleep was disturbed. ब्रेन सी शेप भगवान की पूजा पाठ दिखाई देती है, बर्न हो रहा है ऐसा दिखता है, डेड पीपल दिखते हैं, सेंसिटिविटी फ्रॉम लाउड नॉइज, क्लॉथ अराउंड द नेक, वेस्ट एरिया, टाइटनेस एंड हैवीनेस फील होता है. ऑन सिस्टमिक एग्जामिनेशन, in patient CBC report, it shows mild anemia, while other investigations were within normal limits. There is no evidence of any organic pathology. Of gynae history, menses were normal. She has had 4 pregnancy, 3 full-term normal delivery, 1 abortion, and 3 living. So her obstetric notation is G4, G3, LP, Personal history, no as such addiction, were childhood history was normal. Mental general, she said, मेरी देवरानी पर कोई आत्मा आती है. 2-3 महीने पहले उस पर कोई आत्मा आई थी, तब वो चिल्ला रही थी, मुझे बोला था कि मैं तुम्हें खुश नहीं रहने दूंगी. उसके बाद से मुझे डर लगने लगा था. मैं बोलती नहीं हूँ उसके सामने, कहीं मेरे ऊपर आत्मा ना आ जाए. तब से ही मेरी तबीयत खराब रहती है. अंदर से मन करता है कि सब कुछ छोड़कर कहीं चली जाओ. रोने लगती हूँ अगर कोई कुछ कह देता है तो. पहले पूजा पाठ भी नहीं करती थी, पर जब से देवरानी पे आत्मा आई है तब से मेरा मन ज़्यादा लगता है पूजा पाठ में. माँ पापा दोनों ही नहीं है, अगर वो होते तो शायद मेरा ख्याल रखते. बड़ी बहन से ज़्यादा करीब है, मन में किसी से मन में कोई बात रखती नहीं है, अगर जो बोलना होता है तो बोल देती है वो. So the clinical diagnosis, this diagnosis has functional dyspepsia with gastric origin vertigo associated with generalized weakness and anxiety dominant psychosomatic disorder. Mathematical diagnosis, sorosympathetic. After case analysis, I constructed the totality based on the dominant mental symptom, general weakness and gastric complaint. The selected rubrics are mind illusion forsaken, mind illusion injured being injured, mind illusion persecuted sees persecuted, mind fear dark of, mind whipping, vertigo, abdomen flatulence upper abdomen, dream growth, dream god of and general weakness. Based on the totality, I prescribed Lekesis 200 single dose because Lekesis covered the mental state of feeling persecuted, forsaken, and the injured along with emotional sensitivity, whipping tendency, gastric disturbance, and the general weakness. So on the first follow-up, the patient reports significant improvement in their mental symptoms. Her fear reduced, anxiety decreased, and appetite also. Thank you.